Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making a very interesting cake. It is known as coffee cake, and for that I have taken butter, I have taken brewed coffee, I have taken sugar, I have taken eggs, I have taken buttermilk, I have taken flour. I have also added baking powder and salt in this. I'm going to add the sugar. Okay, and I'm going to leave the dry ingredients in one bowl, and I'm going to work on the wet ingredients. Today we are making an amazing delicious coffee cake. It's very easy to make, and it's going to be very moist because I'm using buttermilk in it. Every ingredient you can find in the description, so I just wanted to just start the recipe. All the measurements you'll find in the description, guys. So let's mix up the cake. Adding the buttermilk, and I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and the wet mixture is ready. The mixture is ready. Now I'm going to put it in an 8-inch pan, in a round 8-inch pan, and I'm going to show you, and I'm going to tell you the baking time as well. Now I'm going to bake this cake. I've placed it in the 8-inch pan, and I'm going to bake it for 35 minutes on a 180 centigrade oven, or 350 Fahrenheit oven. I'm going to just keep it for 35 to 40 minutes till it's done. This cake is done. It's completely done after 40 minutes. The skewer is coming out clean. Okay, it's like coming out absolutely clean and done. So this is the coffee cake which is ready. I had used some coffee frosting, and I had put it on the cake. The coffee frosting recipe you will find in the description box, down in the description. This was very easy. The frosting was very easy, and you can see the entire ingredients. I had just taken 1 cup whipping cream. I had put 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, and I had used 2 tablespoons of coffee powder, and I had not put any sugar in the whipping cream because the whipping cream was sweetened itself. So this cake is ready, and now we will cut it. Coffee cake looks like it's really moist. You can see that it is moist and really amazing. You After the cake has baked, I put it in the fridge. You can see that the frosting is all ready. It's in the fridge, and this is what the cake looks, very moist.